At Smart Energy Nigeria Limited and our affiliate companies, we strive to empower individuals and businesses to embrace renewable energy solutions that align with their unique needs. We are dedicated to providing a diverse range of renewable energy solutions, carefully crafted to meet the varied needs of individuals and businesses. With a holistic approach to sustainable energy, we offer a broad array of services tailored to your specific requirements. Our vision is to lead a sustainable energy revolution, promoting education, innovation, and advocacy for a greener future. Our mission is to offer top quality products and services across a spectrum of renewable energy sectors, ensuring that our community benefits from accessible, reliable, and innovative energy solutions. Our affiliated companies: RenewEduTech, empowering the future through renewable energy education and training. CNG Workshop, promoting clean energy through CNG fitment and maintenance services. Naija Solar Expert, delivering reliable solar system installation and upkeep services. Solar Battery Doctor, ensuring robust solar battery care and services for sustainable energy storage. Precise Auto Diagnostics, enhancing automotive performance through advanced diagnostic solutions. Smart Energy Metalworks, crafting quality metal fabrications for solar systems and sustainable energy products. Vehicraft Interiors, enhancing the interior experience of sustainable vehicles. Energy Reform Movement of Nigeria, driving change through renewable energy advocacy and sustainable solutions.
Refer to Smart Energy Solutions for more information. Contact us by phone 0809 8887 or 0802 769 8797 or 0815165816 by email info@smartenergyng.com.